Hello YouTube, this is Kazarim Setso, and today we are going to learn how to fast forward our video and only parts of our video as well. First, select the timeline bar, go to layer, time stretch. My whole video duration is 2 minutes and 13 seconds. If I drag this one to left, notice that it's going down. I'm going to set it on 35. Press OK. And notice when I do that the timeline bar will go shrink. Notice that. Now if I play, it will be fast forwarded. Now what if I need to fast forward only parts of my video and not the whole video? To do that, I'm going to undo my last step. Go to the part where I want to fast forward, and let's say it's around here. Press Ctrl Shift D, and then I want the fast forward to end around this here, and press Ctrl Shift D as well. Now the part I need fast forwarded is this selected one. Go to layer, time stretch. Drag it left, around 30 as well. Okay. Notice that it's shrink now. If I play, you will notice the difference between this one, which is not fast forwarded, and this one, which starts fast forwarding. Let's go. When the indicator reach here, it's black. So to get rid of this black, I need to drag this part to the end of the part fast forwarded, and to make sure it is, press Alt and scroll up your mouse. Here we go. Now if we play,
okay, I don't think it's gonna pivot anymore. You think?
It's perfect now. If you like the video, hit the like button and subscribe. I will see you on the next video.